Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will discuss and then we have a walkthrough on how to write a program that demonstrate the principles of merge sort algorithm using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today for free in my two websites. You may click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. Okay, so we have here a walkthrough, so sharp include IOStream for input output, sharp include vector. So vector we will be using that later on in arrays, so we have here the function merge, left and right, mid and right, and then we have here the code, mid minus left plus 1, right minus mid, so calling a vector in this portion of code, copy data to temporary arrays left and right, using we have here two for looping statement, and then in this line of code, using while loop statement, we merge the temporary arrays box into array. And then we have here copy the remaining elements left and right using while loop in merge, calling the merge function, vector. Okay. So here, vector init, and then we have several values that I declare. 12, 11, 13, negative 67, 23, negative 452, 5, 6, and 7. So the title of our program, merge sort in C++, in using for statement, we display the array values here, the original value, and then calling the function merge sorts, array 0 size minus 1, and then sorted array, we will display the sorted values here. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our tutorial video for today. Let us go with build and run. Okay, we have here the output. Merge sorts in C++, original array, we have 12, 11, 13, negative 67, 23, negative 452, 5, 6, and 7. Sorted array, we have here negative 452, negative 67, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, and 23. Okay guys, this is the end of our tutorial video on merge sorts in C++ programming language. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. Don't forget to download the code for free in my two websites. The link is in the video description. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.